Get acquainted with the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, the full-size pickup that's strong, quiet, and dependable, with the latest technology to keep you connected while you get the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.